Yeah.
So this video is intended to show you how to use the MinnSNOWta roof razor. We've kind of developed a system whereby it's a two-man job. Have we got all of the extension poles on it now? I think we do.
Yeah.
So the extra length allows you not only to reach the roof, but to have two people sort of pumping the pole at the same time. I'll zoom in a bit. See if you can see. Oh, the zoom throws it out of focus, sorry. Okay. You can see we have a significant ice dam also caused by all this snow and the other problems that cause ice dams, which has been the subject of so much discussion in the news and amongst all of our friends and neighbors here in New England. The trick is obviously not to let it fall off the roof, and you cut it very close to the edge. It's a real easy mistake to make. This is pretty difficult for one person to do.
Okay.
The roof razor is really heavy, and it's hard to get up there too. We unfortunately didn't get that on this video, but maybe we'll get it on another one.